myself Dr. Priya and you are watching my channel Dr. Priya's lecture classes BioMystery. Today we are going to discuss about iron. Iron is a very precious element and it is a very rare element in the universe. Even the temperature and the pressure inside the sun couldn't create iron atoms. That needs supernova explosions. Even in Earth, 99% of the iron is trapped inside the deep core. The surface of the Earth contains very little amount of iron. Iron neither dissolves in universal solvents and nor in water. So these properties make iron very special and precious too. So now coming to the question, what is importance in human body? Yes, it is indispensable to human body as it is responsible for oxygen transport through hemoglobin and myoglobin. Not only that, it plays an important role in the electron transport chain that is responsible for the production of ATP. And also, iron is present in various enzymes and proteins in our body. So, let's get started with all things in detail. So, here, total body iron. In case of adult male, that is 3 to 4 gram. In case of female, total body iron is 2 to 3 gram. So, why there is so much difference between male iron and female iron total body iron content? So here is the explanation. Adult women have less iron. Why? There are 3 reasons. Number 1, there is decrease in the hemoglobin concentration in case of females. Number 2, the smaller vascular volume. Number 3, lower iron reserve in case of women. Now, coming to the total body iron containing proteins. As we discussed before that iron not only transport oxygen through hemoglobin and myoglobin, but also it plays a major role in case of electron transport chain that is responsible for production of ATP, and also iron is present in various enzymes and proteins. Here, take a look. So, total body iron containing proteins. We can divide it into 3 broad categories. Number 1, heme containing. Number 2, non-heme containing. And number 3, iron sulfur complexes. Now coming to each group in detail. Heme containing irons. We know that main heme containing iron is hemoglobin and myoglobin. Not only that, hemoglobin, myoglobin as well as catalases, cytochrome oxidases, cytochrome BB5, cytochrome CC1, lactoperoxidases, tryptophan pyrrolase, nitric oxide synthase. All these are heme containing iron protein. Okay. Next coming to the non-heme containing iron proteins. So, there are some proteins, that is aconites, phenylalanine hydroxylase, ferritin, transferrin and hemosiderin. We know about ferritin, transferrin. Transferrin, through transferrin, it is a transport protein for iron. Ferritin, that is a storage protein of iron. And hemosiderin, that is derived from ferritin, derived ferritin, we can call it, and we will learn about all these things later in later videos. Now coming to the iron sulfur complexes. Those are complex 3 in electron transport chain, succinate dehydrogenase and xanthine oxidase. Okay. Now coming to the recommended daily allowance. Yes. Recommended daily allowance of iron in case of adult male, that is 20 milligram. In case of female, that is more than 20 milligram. In case of pregnant woman, that is more than 40 milligram, and children, growing children, that is teenage, 13 to 15 years of age, that is 20 to 30 milligram. So there is a question, why there is so much differences between these amount of recommended daily allowance. So requirement of iron in adult female is more as compared to the adult male. Why such difference? So here is the answer. Number 1, more than 20 milligram of iron is lost per menstrual cycle in case of females. What happens in pregnancy? Pregnancy, as usual, there is requirement of 20 milligram of iron in case of adult male, and female that is little more than 20 milligram, and associated with the requirement of iron in case of fetus. So today we have discussed about iron a bit, only the introduction part. Later on we will discuss the absorption of iron through the gut, the storage form of iron, that is ferritin, and the transport form of iron, that is transferrin, and other associated proteins, its excretion, and most importantly iron deficiency anemia and clinical correlations, examples, all the things we will discuss in the later video. So if you liked my video, please like it, comment it, share it, and subscribe my channel, Dr. Priya's lecture classes, BioMystery. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye. Bye.